today's first look, we have a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This is lot number 1349. This Boss 429 has the KK number of 2012. This is one of 857 Bosses produced this model year. It is powered by the factory original matching numbers 429 engine rated at 375 horsepower. So these are really cool cars. If you don't know the story, these had to be taken to Carcraft. That's why it has a KK number. Then the shock towers were changed so that they could get this monster engine. Now they homologated this engine by putting them in here so they could go race at NASCAR and have a Hemi-headed Ford. That is why they birthed these cars. They are very rare. Getting all the little doodads, the snorkel and all the parts. This is a unbelievable restoration, all the inspection marks. You want to buy one of the best Boss 429s out there with a fresh restoration, this is it. It also has a matching numbers close ratio 4-speed manual transmission connected to the original 391 traction lock differential. And as you can see, it is finished in one of my favorite colors, candy apple red. The options include power steering, power brakes, those are front discs, competition suspension, functional hood scoop, and the originally restored 15-inch Magnum 500s are on it. It is restored with its factory bucket seats. It is a deluxe interior group, visibility group, color key racing mirrors on it. This car was well optioned. The car was discovered in 2023 after being stored for nearly 40 years. A complete nut and bolt restoration was performed on the car by Bob Wilson of RJ Restorations. That was completed in 2025. Now he has brought us some spectacular cars, and we'll talk about right now what this has won. The restorations won Concourse Gold at both the Shelby America Club and the Muscle Car Corvette Nationals. Our Mustang expert, Shelby expert, Jason Billups, said this is one of the nicest 429s that he has ever seen. Great provenance, great options, great color, great restoration. Coming to you at no reserve at our 2026 Scottsdale Auction, January 17th through the 25th at WestWorld here in Scottsdale. See you there.